is Stephen Vegas with LiveInsuranceNews.com bringing you the major headlines from this week in insurance news. Homeowners insurance in Florida becomes more complicated due to spate of sinkholes. Recent sinkholes have caused something of a panic among homeowners in Florida, many of whom do not have adequate coverage to cover the damage caused by sinkholes. Because homeowners insurance does not typically cover sinkholes specifically, this protection comes in the form of catastrophic ground collapse coverage, which is additional coverage that can be tacked onto existing homeowners insurance policies. State lawmakers have been wrangling with the issue of these localized disasters for years, trying to find the best protection for consumers. But efforts have largely been unsuccessful. Renters insurance is missing among 66% of tenants in the U.S. A recent study reveals that only 34% of American tenants currently have active renters insurance. 60% of these tenants said that they felt the cost of this coverage was $250 or higher per year, while 21% stated that they felt the costs were more than $1,000 annually. According to the National Association of Insurance Commissioners, the average cost of renters insurance is $185 per year. Arkansas teams with the HHS to expand private health insurance exchanges. Arkansas Governor Mike Beebe has decided to partner with the Department of Health and Human Services in order to formulate an alternative to expanding the state's Medicaid program. State residents could benefit through the expansion of subsidized private health insurance exchanges, and Arkansas is currently focusing on expanding its network of these exchanges instead of expanding its current Medicaid program. Auto insurance basics remain a mystery for 68% of drivers in the U.S. A recent survey of American drivers shows that only 32% of motorists have an understanding of the basics of auto insurance coverage. Participants who said that their understanding of the coverage was terrible scored an average of 28% on the survey, while those who said that their understanding was excellent received a score of 26%. Liability insurance requirements for guns is up for consideration in Washington, D.C. The D.C. Council is currently considering a proposal that would require those that own firearms to purchase and maintain liability insurance coverage. Many lawmakers consider liability insurance for gun owners a viable form of gun control. Opponents suggest that making liability insurance coverage mandatory will limit people's ability to own firearms, therefore going against the Second Amendment of the U.S. Constitution. That's it for this week's news roundup. Be sure to visit LiveInsuranceNews.com for active coverage of the issues that matter to you.